In the tumultuous world of 17th-century Italy, a maverick artist emerged, challenging the established norms of religious art. Michelangelo Merisi da Caravaggio. Born in 1571 in the bustling city of Milan, Caravaggio's early life was marked by a restless spirit and a burning desire to create. His raw talent and unconventional approach to art set him apart from his contemporaries. However, it was in Rome, the heart of the Baroque era, where Caravaggio would truly leave his mark. His innovative technique, characterized by dramatic lighting, vivid colors, and a stark realism, turned the Catholic Church on its head. One of his most controversial works, The Calling of St. Matthew, depicts a scene of chaos and realism, a stark contrast to the idealized, ethereal images of saints common in Italian art at the time. The painting, commissioned by the Contarelli Chapel in Rome, was met with both admiration and outrage. The controversy surrounding Caravaggio's work extended beyond his canvases. His fiery temper and reckless lifestyle earned him numerous enemies, leading to a series of duels, brawls, and even a murder charge. In 1606, a brawl in a tavern with a rival painter escalated into a fatal sword fight. Fearing for his life, Caravaggio fled Rome, leaving behind his masterpiece, the Crucifixion of St. Peter. Caravaggio spent the remainder of his life on the run, traveling through Naples, Malta, and Sicily. Despite his tumultuous personal life, his art continued to captivate audiences, and his innovative style influenced a generation of artists. In his final years, Caravaggio's health declined. Plagued by malaria, he died in 1610, a tragic end for a man whose work had electrified the art world. Caravaggio's legacy lives on, not just in his groundbreaking works, but in the way he challenged the status quo and paved the way for a new era in art. His life, as dramatic and scandalous as his paintings, serves as a testament to the power of artistic rebellion. In the end, Caravaggio's legacy transcends the canvas, serving as a reminder that art is not just a reflection of the times, but a force that shapes them.